Hello coders. In this particular Excel set problem set scenario, I'll be showing you in graph something like star will be represented based on the ratings given by someone. So before applying star, I'll be applying some formatting in here. So I'll be applying some formatting like in this particular cells. It will be something like maybe yeah, this one green. So no borders are being shown. So let me apply some border to it to make it look more attractive. So here it is, something like all borders. Fine, so far so good. Now we'll be using a function equal to rep. This one rep, and it says that text, it accepts a text and then the number of times. Fine. So the text is something like this one. So we'll be giving here some text and number of times. Okay. So the text will be star. So and the number of times according to the regularity. Fine. Text, if it is 1, then give 1 star. If 5, then 5 star. Bracket close and press enter. Now let me duplicate the formula or drag the formula all the way across to the down. Now we all know that Riju, something like Riju, I mean something like a weak kind of person. So let me give him a 5 star. Fine. Polok Shorkar. So he just illuminates the whole world, and India is a hot country. Maybe we'll be giving him a 2 rating. So Abhimanyu, he took part in Mahabharata. I mean, this particular name is associated with Mahabharata, and he took part in. I mean, he's a long time guy. Let me give him a 8. Similar way, Devashis, no names can be found in about him in the history. He's Shastra Sundar. So he, since he's a Shastra, let me give him just simply 1. And then there's Onkon. Wow, just draws so well and with precise. So drawing, maybe drawing Drawing. So let me give him a 7. Right? So that's a pretty amazing function in Excel which you can use on your own. That's rep. So let me also, before ending the video, let me write down the rep function one more time. My bad. And sometimes that I'm running on laptop, but I'm running laptop anyways. So rep, and to complete the function you can press Ctrl A from your keyboard. So this is the text that would appear the number of times. So the number of times is based on the ratings. So if it is a 5, then what text would appear? Maybe star, maybe at the rate, whatever it is. That's a cool function. Try it on your own. Thank you all guys and happy.